In this video I'm going to show you how I want you to prepare the document that you will post to the Dropbox for this assignment and probably many to follow. This is the approach you will use when you have a lot of different regression outputs, and I'm asking you to post the output and an explanation. I want you to put it all in one Word document and then post just the one Word document. So I'll use the car trade-in value as an example. Let's say we're going to, I'll fit a model here. I have to go into Stat Tools, and I will first need to use my Dataset Manager and create a new data set. And the Excel range I'm going to create is going to contain all my data, and I'm going to include the top row that has the variable names, and I'll scroll down and select the range data. I'm only going to select the 20 observations, not the summary statistics at the bottom of the data set. So I'll click OK, and now I've defined my Stat Tools data set. And now I'm going to go into the regression routine and experiment with a couple different regression models. So let's say I first want to use a model where the dependent variable is trade-in, and maybe I'm going to have one independent variable, sticker price. And I'll click OK, and there's my Stat Tools output. I'm going to select this Stat Tools output and then do a copy, and then go into a Word document and do a paste special picture. That way I get looks just like it did over in Excel. Now I have this in my Word document. Now I can enter my explanation as required by the assignment. And you can type in whatever answer to the question is that I'm asking in the assignment. Now I can jump back into Excel, and maybe this time I have to go into Stat Tools and fit a regression model that instead uses mileage as the independent variable. So there's the output, and again I will select that range and do a copy, jump back over to Word, do a paste special picture, and now I've entered that output into my Word file. So now I can discuss this output in the same Word document. Right. Maybe the assignment next requires me to go back into Excel and use Stat Tools to fit a regression model that uses both sticker price and mileage at the same time. I'll click OK, and here's the output for that model. So I'll do a copy, jump back over into Word, do a paste special and picture. Right. And now I can, here is my answer to the questions about this model. Now the other thing I want you to do before you post your document, notice I have one document that has a lot of different Stat Tools outputs, and possibly your answers will be longer than just a short sentence I typed in. Before you post it, I also want you to do an insert and insert a header, and I want you to type your name here. Right? Type your name into the header of the Word document. Now I'm going to close header and footer, and now if you look, what you're going to see is you get your name at the top of every page. Right? So now you are ready to save your document, post it to the Dropbox, and it'll all be contained in one nice compact Word document rather than spread across many different Excel files.